Transtar's plastic repair system makes repairing bumpers simple, quick, and easy. Whether repairing a broken bumper tab, gouge, or a tear, Transtar has the product for you. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to repair a bumper tab. Remember to always wear the appropriate safety gear when performing any repair process. Start by cleaning the surface to be repaired with soap and water and wipe dry. Next, use Transtar's Aquascat 2 waterborne degreaser, product number 1394, to clean the area. Wipe dry. Transtar's uniquely formulated Aquascat 2 waterborne degreaser not only removes static, grease, contaminants, and mold release agents, but also works as a pre-paint cleaner. Sand or grind the front and back of the area to be repaired using 80 grit sandpaper. Next, remove the sanding residue and clean with Aquascat 2 waterborne degreaser. Wipe dry. Apply Transtar's Plastomend TPO adhesion promoter, product number 1023F, to the bare prepped plastic on the front and back of the repair. Be sure to allow both areas to dry. Plastomend TPO adhesion promoter, product number 1023F, is highly recommended for repairing TPO, PP, or PE plastics. Now we are ready to apply Transtar's Universal Quick Adhesive, product number 1458. Remove the tip of the 200 milliliter cartridge by bending the attached cap back and forth until broken. Insert the cartridge into Transtar's Dual Mix gun, product number 4440. Gun out a small amount of material to equalize the tubes. Attach a static mixer, then cut off the tip. Dispense 1 static mixer length of material to ensure a proper mixture. For this tab repair, we will use the inside of the Universal Quick Adhesive bag as a contouring sheet. Apply material to the tab and contour using the inside of the bag while the material is wet. Once cooled, remove the contour sheet. Contour with 80 grit sandpaper. Finish sand with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper. Finish the reconstruction by carving or drilling the necessary holes in the tab. Re-clean the repair with Aquascat 2 waterborne degreaser, product number 1394. It's that simple. Congratulations! You have now performed a tab repair using Transtar's plastic repair system. For information about other Transtar products and services, please visit our website at www.tat-co.com or call 1-800-824-2843.